Hello and welcome back to the That Was Easy channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a nice, cool origami heart. It's beautiful, I know. So if you want to know how to make this, make sure you guys stick around for the tutorial. But wait, before we get on to the actual tutorial, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment some other stuff you'd like to see me teach in the comment section down below. But now, I won't hold you guys any longer. Let's get on to the tutorial. So first you want to start off with your stock square piece of paper. And you can make this using a nice rectangular sheet of paper, just folding it across and then cutting the bottom off. But I have mine pre-prepared. So if you need to go ahead and do this, pause the video and feel free to go ahead. Next, what you want to do is fold your paper across the diagonal, just like so, and add a nice crease. Then unfold and do the exact same thing in the opposite direction. And don't worry about getting your corners exact, because although it may look a little bit better if they're perfect, it's not something that you should have to worry about. Next, you want to take the top corner of your page and fold it down to the very center where your two folds meet. Now that you're here, you want to take the bottom corner of your paper and fold it up to the very top of your page, aligning with the crease that's on that top flap. Then make a nice fold on the bottom. Next, you want to take either your right or left corner, which you haven't folded yet, and fold it so that this line right here, this edge, lines up with the center line of your whole piece. So you want to line it up and crease it right there, and then you do the same thing with the other half. Just fold it up just like so. And now, although you could stop here, there's a couple final steps that you can do to make it look just a bit better. So you want to turn the whole heart on its back, just like so, and take this top tip and fold it just to this line right here where the rest of the paper is. So just fold it just like so. And do the same with the other side. There we have it. And now you can even do the same with this corner right here. Just fold it at the point where this top flap meets this side one. Just like so. And try to get this as straight as possible. And do the same for the other side. And now that we're here, we are done with our origami heart. So if you guys like this tutorial, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment some other stuff you'd like to see me make in the comment section down below. But for now, I'll see you guys again later. Bye.